Hello everybody, how are you? Now we solve out of question about order of operation. We know the order operation is the set of math rules that tells us what is the first operation we must do first, such as multiplication, division, and so on. First, we must look at left-hand side about multiplication and division. Multiplication and division, we must do the first come, first serve, such that in this example we have multiplication and division. You must do this operation first. 34 times 28, and the result we must divide it by 2, then 8 the result to 5. So we can solve this example by multiplication. 34 times 28 in the next paper. 4 times 8 equals 32. Write 2 and carry up 3. 3 times 8 equals 24. 24 plus 3 equals 27. Plus 0. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 7 plus 8 equals 15. 5 and carry up 1. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Okay, the result will be what? 952 divided by 2 plus 5. 9 divided by 2 equal 4 and the remainder 1. 15 divided by 2 equals 7 and the remainder 1. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. The result will be 476 plus 5 equal what? 6 plus 5 equal 11. 1 and carry up 1. 7 plus 1 equal 8. And write 4 behind it. The result will be 481. Again, this example we do multiplication first. And the next step, division by 2. And the last step, 8 the result to 5. Okay, look at number letter B. Okay, letter B. Look at here. 1403.5 subtract by 12.3 divided by 100 plus 9.8. First operation here, we can find division first. Division first, okay? Okay, we can write here 1403.5 subtract by 12.3 divided by 100. Here we can move the point from left hand side to right hand side by 2 digits. Then the result would be 12, 3, 1, 2, 3, and put 0 behind it. Okay, we move the point from left hand side to right hand side by 2 digits, so we must put 0 here and move the point after 2 digits. Okay, and put point in 0 to find the result about subtract about 2 number here, and then divide 8 the number to 9.8. 5 by minus 0 equal 5, and write point here. 3 minus 0 equal 3. 0 minus by 3 we can't do it, so we must put 1 from 3 will be 4 will be 3, 0 will be 10, subtract from 10 will be 9, and 3 will be 13. Sorry, again 0, 3 minus 0 equals 3, and 0 minus 3 we can't do it, it will be 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7, and 3 minus 2 equal 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0, then the result will be 173.5. Again, 5 minus 0 equals 5, and write point here. 3 minus 0 equals 3. 0 minus 3 we can't do it, so we must pull 1 from 4. 4 will be 3, and 0 will be 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0, and then we can add the result to 9.8. 8 plus 5 equals 13. 3 and carry up 1. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 10 plus 3 equals 13. 3 and carry up 1. 7 plus 1 equals 8, and write 1 behind it. The result will be 183.3. 183.3. Okay, understood? Understood the steps? In this example, we solved the divided first. We know parentheses first, exponent next, multiplication and division in the same step. from left hand side to right hand side, first come first serve, and then doing 8 as subtract from left hand side to right hand side, from first come first serve. We know subtract come the first and add the second. Then you must find subtract between two numbers first and then add the number to 9.8. Okay, letter C. 12 plus 24 divided by 4 plus 8. Look at here with me about this example. It's very easy because 24 divided by 4, we know it will be 6. We can find the divided first, and then write 12 plus 6.8 plus 8. 12 plus 6, 12 plus 6 equal 18. 18 plus 8 equal 26. The result will be 26. Letter D. 3.52 times 2.2 divided by 100 plus 6.9. Look at from left hand side to right hand side. We know multiplication and division in the same step. From left hand side to right hand side, first come first serve. Multiplication come first, so first come first serve. About this example, we can find multiplication first and then find the division. Look at here, 3.52 multiplied by 2.2. We can find the multiplication by long multiplication right here, 352 up and 22 down. Okay, look at 2 times 2 equal 4, 2 times 5 10, 0 and the carry up 1, 2 times 3 6 plus 1 equals 7 plus 0, 2 times 2 equal 4, 2 times 5 equal 10, 0 and the carry up 1, 2 times 3 6 plus 1 equals 7, 4 plus 0 equal 4, 0 plus 4 equal 4, 7 plus 0 equals 7, write 7 here, and we have here the point after 1 digit and 2 digits. The result will be after 3 digit, after 3 digit. Okay, why? Because it's meaning 352 over 100, and 2.2 it's meaning 22 over 1 and 0 it will be 10, 22 over 10. And we find 352 times 22, it will be 744 over 1000, because 100 times 10 equal 1000. Then 744 divided by 1000, it will be 7.744. Okay, it's the result about multiplication. So we must write here 7.744. Complete divided by 0.01 and then add 6.9 to the result. Okay, complete with me. We know this example we can find what? We can find the division by move the point from left hand side to right hand side by 2 digits. So we must write what? Write 4.4. Move the point to right hand side by 2 digits. Okay, because we divided by decimal. If you want to find the result by divided by decimal number, we must, or you must, move the point from left hand side to right hand side by 2 digits, because the point here after 2 digits, so we must move the point here 2 digits. Okay, the point come here between 4 and 4 plus 6.9. Complete with me. 9 plus 4 equals 13, 3 and the carry up 1, 6 plus 1 equals 7, 7 plus 4 equals 11, 1 and the carry up 1, 1 plus 7 equals 8, and write 7 behind it. The result will be 781, 3 tenths and 3 tenths. Compare letter number 2. Compare, write less than or more than or equal to 100th times 1/10th. we know 1 times 1 equal 1, and the point will be after 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, and write 0 here. The point after 3 digits. Its meaning 1,000th. 1 over 1,000th meaning 1,000th. The meaning 1,000th. Letter B, so we must write sign here equal to. Letter B, 3.41 plus 2.59 equal 9 plus 1 equal 10, 0 and the carry of 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 0 and the carry of 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3 equals 6. The result will be here 6. And what about this operation? 3.41 subtract 2.59. 1 minus 9, we can't do it. Put 1 from 4, 4 will be 3 and 1 will be 11. 11 minus 9 equal 2. 2 minus 5, we can't do it. Put 1 from 3, 3 will be 2. And this digit will be 13. 13 minus 5 equal 8. And 2 minus 2 equals 0. Then the result will be 2800th. Which more? 6 or 8200th? It's more than. It's easy for you. 6 more than decimal number, because we have here what? Whole number, and here decimal number. Whole number is greater than to decimal number. Let us see. 38.2 plus 32 times 100th plus 15. We can add them and then multiply this decimal number parentheses first. Multiplication and division is the same step. Addition and subtraction from left hand side, right hand side, first come first serve. So you can complete this example with me here. Add them, find the result inside the brackets, write 2 and 2 plus 8 equal 10, 0 and carry of 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 equals 7. 70.2 times by 0.01 and then add the result to 15. 70.2 times 100. We can move the point to what? To left hand side by 2 digits. Because the point here after 2 digits, we must move the point from right hand side to left hand side by 2 digits. Then we can write 0.702 plus 15. 15 plus 0 equal 15. And write the decimal number here. Why we do that? Because we have whole numbers and decimal number. We can add them, it's easily for you, okay? Okay, look at with me about this operation here. 38.2 plus 32 times 0.01 plus 15. Okay, we can solve this here. 38.2 plus 32 multiplied by 0.01 plus 15. We can find the result 38.2 plus what? We can find the result here. The point will be after 2 digits. It's meaning 32 over 100. 32 times 0.01, it's meaning 32 times what? Times 1 over 100. It's meaning 32 divided by 100. It will be 0.32 plus 15. And then we can find the result. Write 0 here. 2 plus 0 equal 2. 3 plus 2 equal 5. 0 plus 8 equal 8. And write 3 plus 15. We can write 52. 0.5 plus 8 equal 13. 3 and the carry of 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3 equal 5. Then the result will be what? Which more? 15 or 53? 53 it's more. So 15 less than 53. So we must write a sign here. Okay, or not understood? It's easy for you? Okay. Letter D. The smallest prime number is 2. We know the prime number. The prime number has only 2 factors. The prime number can divide by itself and 1 only. So we have 2 factors about the prime number. And the smallest prime number 2, we know is prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 23, 29, and so on, 19. Okay, the common factor for all numbers 1. The common factor for all numbers 1, but the common multiple for all numbers 0. Okay, so in this example, 2 more than the smallest prime number 2 and the common factor for all number 1. Okay, letter E, 3475.1 times 100th. It's meaning what? We must move the point from right hand side to left hand side by 2 digits. The result will be 34.751. And here 34.751 divided by 100th. We can move the point from left hand side to right hand side by 2 digits. We can write 34.751. Which more? 34 less than 3475.1. Okay, it's greater. This whole number more than the whole number here. And what about letter E? 33.33, 3.333 thousandths. It's meaning 33 more than. We must compare by left hand side about what? About whole number here. Okay, look about question letter number 3, letter A. The first operation to solve 983 subtracted by 16 divided by 8 plus 11 times 10 is. What's the first operation here? Look at with me from left hand side to right hand side. Division and multiplication. Look at with me again. Parentheses first, exponent next, multiplication and division in the same step. First come, first serve. Where come, first come, here, division. Okay, so we must write the divided first. The first operation will here divide. We can find the divide about 16 and 8. 16 by 8 equal to. We ask it here about the first operation. Okay, letter B. 1356 milliliter to liter. We know 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. So in this example, we can find the result by divided by 1000 to convert from milliliter to liter. So the point will be after 3 digits. It will be 1.356. We know liter and milliliter is the unit of capacity. Okay, you remember this lesson? Okay. L reverse to liter and ml reverse to milliliter. To convert from milliliter to liter, we must divide it by 1000. Okay, so we must choose what? Letter A, 1.356. Okay, it's letter A. Letter C, 15.6 plus 3.125, and then approximating to the nearest 10th. We can find the result by 2 numbers here, 8 them, equal parts. We must equal parts here. How? It's easy for you. You remember this lesson? We must add double zero here to equal parts because 3.125 we have 3 digits behind the point. So in this number we must find 3 digits. Then you must write double zero here. Okay, you make sure the equal parts is equality. Okay, then you can find the result. 5 plus 0 equal 5, 2 plus 0 equal 8, 1 plus 6 equal 7, 0 plus 5 equal 8, and write 1 behind it. And then approximating the result to the nearest tenses. Where tenses here? 7. 2 can give 1 or not? No. 2 less than 5. It's poor digit. We called it poor digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0. It's the poor digits. We called it. Okay. Okay. 2 can't give 1 to 7. So the result will be 18.7. Where here, letter A. We must choose letter A about this question. What about 12 equal, what is the operation here? The result will be 12, letter A or B or C or D. So in this example, we must find all the result about all operation. We know parentheses first, exponent next, multiplication and division in the same step, addition and subtraction from left hand side to right hand side, rest come first serve. So in this example, we can find parentheses first. Find the operation inside the brackets here. 3 plus 6 times 2. 6 times 2 equal 12. 12 plus 3 equal 15. 54 divided 15. It's letter A. It's correct because 54 divided 15 will be decimal number. So we can't choose letter A. It's false. Okay, it's false. We want to choose letter A. Ask yourself about letter B. Here, 54 divided by 3. Look at here, 54 divided by 3 in brackets plus 6 times 2 equal 12. And 54 divided by 3 equal what? 5 divided by 3 equal 1 and the remainder 2. 24 divided by 3 equal 8. 18 plus 20 it's 30. It's false. What about letter C? Ask yourself. 3 plus 6 equal 9. 9 times 2 equal 18. 54 plus 18 equal what? It's a number greater than 12. So it's false. What about letter D? Look at letter D. Here, 3 plus 6 equal 9. 9 times 2 equal 18. Okay. 54 divided by 18. Look at here, letter C. 54 divided by 3 plus 6 equal 9. We know 3 plus 6 equal 9. And we have here, we have into here brackets about 9 and 2. So we must find 54 plus 9. 54 divided by 9 equals 6. 6 times 2 equal 12. So we must choose letter C about this example. And what about letter D? 6 plus 3 equal 9. 9 times 2 equal 18. And then the result will be 58 divided by 18 equals 3. The result is 3. But he asked about the result will be 12. So we must choose what? Letter C. Again, 54 divided 3 plus 6 in the brackets will be 9. 54 divided by 9 equals 6. The result here 6. 6 times 2 equal 12. So the result will be letter C. Question letter E. 0.2 times 0.4. 2 times 4 equal 8 and the point must be after 2 digits. The result will be 800. Choose letter C. Letter F. The value of 5 in the number 3.256 is. He asks the value of 5. 5 lies in hundredths. So the value of 5 will be 0.05. It's meaning 5 over 100. Number 4. Please grouping symbols, parentheses, and division or brackets. Okay, parentheses and division or brackets is a function to generate the given value. Look at here. The value is 18. Can you ask yourself about this example? We want to find the result will be what? The result will be here 18. Can you tell me the operation about 18? We know 7 minus 4, 3. 3 times 5 equal 15 plus 1 equals 16, not 18. So who can tell me about this operation? Parentheses where we can add about parentheses here about what? 7 minus 4 in brackets equals 3 and 5 plus 6, 5 plus 1 equals 6. We can write here brackets and here brackets. 7 minus 4 equals 3. 3 times 6 equals 18. Okay, so we can do the brackets here about what? 7 minus 4 times 5 plus 1. So we can put the brackets by 5 and 1 only. You can do the brackets here only. Don't do that because 5 plus 1 equals 6 and 4 multiplies the number will be greater, so we must put parentheses here. Okay, it's sure, okay, sure, put two brackets here to find 18. The value is 9 here. 9 times 3 plus 2 divided by 5. We know 3 times 9 equal 18. 18 plus 2 equal 20. 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 equal 4. So we must put brackets to find 9. Who can tell me if we do that? 3 plus 2 equal 5. 5 divided by 5 equal 1. So we can do brackets here to this parentheses. Again, I can write 9 times 3 plus 2 divided by 5. Write 3 times 2 in brackets, parentheses, and we can do all this operation in brackets because 5 divided by 5 equal 1. 1 times 9 equal 9. Okay, understood, my students? It's easy for you? Okay, we must thinking about this example and solve it again in your notebook to know all expressions about multiplication and order operation and the steps. It's very easy for you if you do hard in your homework. Okay, goodbye, my students.